Upgrade St. Lucia. Upgrade to 100% super fast 4G coverage.
Workers at the Treasury Department are not the only government employees with respiratory and air quality complaints. According to the General Secretary of the St. Lucia Civil Service Association, there are similar concerns at the offices of the Customs and Excise Department and the Social Transformation Ministry. Wilfred Pierre attended a sit-down with the Labour Department. It's a meeting, he says, was mandated by the Health and Safety Act to address the situation. He wants the occupational safety of the buildings scrutinized.
Do an assessment on all of these areas. We're going to Customs now. In fact, while we were at Customs, we had some of our members from the Ministry of Social Transformation indicating how a lot of the members there are falling sick and have problems as it relates to lung problems and air quality. Now, what we're going to be doing, as our president indicated, that the staff is not going to be coming back to this building unless we get the assurance from the Labour Department, from the Health and Safety expert, which is Mr. Griffith, that all is clear as it relates to the Treasury Department. And likewise, we are going to do the same thing. After this meeting, we are going to Customs to do the very same thing.
Pierre, who says he recognizes the critical functions of the Treasury Department, stresses that while the CSA does not want the employees off the job, their health is paramount. He also wants staff to undergo physicals.
At the meeting that we had when we met with the Accountant General and with the Labour Department, we indicated that all of the staff at the Treasury need to be taken medical examinations, and that is one of the things that we have mandated, and we're going to do the same thing with the customs officers. And as I indicated, social transformation do have a problem. So you'll be hearing from us as it relates to how do we address these things.
The CSA General Secretary sounded warning signals about the maintenance schedule of the buildings that house state agencies.
It's an issue where money is not placed as it relates to maintenance of these buildings. These are old buildings, and you need to maintain these buildings. The situation in the Customs Department is that there was a procedure that has been spelled out, that the building and the ducts and the vents need to be maintained every 3 months. For a whole year, the building has not been maintained. So this is some of the situations that we face.
Pierre underscores that the employees at the affected government institutions are not on strike, but the conditions must be conducive for work. He is adamant that staff not return to the building. A redeployment of personnel and resources is expected to ensure minimum interruptions to vital operations.
This report was brought to you by
St. Lucia Civil Service Cooperative Credit Union Limited.